Assalamu alaikum grade 1, welcome to eLessons. Okay, today we are covering our assignment number 6 of computer science, okay, from the chapter number 2. Okay students, before covering a new topic, I will give you just prior knowledge that we have covered what are the websites, what are the web pages, hyperlinks and browsers. Okay, today we are covering 2.4 using the browsers. Okay, on page number 28. Basically in this chapter, we will cover what is a browser. I told you that browser is basically a software that is used to look at the websites. Okay, because websites are basically written in a special language. Okay, special programming language. They have hyperlinks which are not easily understandable by the other programs. Okay, for understanding, for converting those images and pictures, we need a browser. Okay, and that browser specially convert all the languages, all the tags, all the programming words into a language which a human can easily understand. Okay, and what is a website? A website can have more than one pages. Okay, because in web page basically it's contain information about the single topic. Okay, and website can have more than one pages. Okay, and hyperlink is basically a link. When we click on them, we move from one page to another page, from one page to another page, we move from one website to another website. So okay, just by clicking on them. Hyperlinks are basically links. They are maybe in form of pictures, they may be in form of the images, they may be in form of the text. Okay, they are underlined, they are bold, or they are in different colors. When we click on a link, the color of the link will be changed. Okay, it's indicate that we have checked this link. Okay, and it's an electronic link that allows users to move from one page to another page, from one website to another website. They are interlinked. Okay, it is a very interesting thing, but because just we click a one image on a one link and we move from one and when we move from one website to the other websites. Okay, this is a picture of a website. Okay, it's contain a different images of an animal, toucan, monkey, tigers, okay, and snake. These are the hyperlinks. These images, these pictures are basically a link. When I click on it, a new window will be open. A toucan is displaying in a new window, and it will tell me about the information about the toucan. If I want to move back, I will press this arrow key. Okay, I will move back. If I want to move forward, I will press this key and I will move forward. Okay, in this way I can search from one page to another page also. Okay, 2.5. Are you feeling worried? If I want to see something, I see something on the screen which make me feel bad, down, like this, I will discuss this thing with my siblings, with my adult ones, with my teachers. Okay, there are the two pictures you can see on your screens, that one student is doing their project on the rainforest, and these are the images of the different animals which live in the forest. Okay, that child is explaining, discussing this thing with his sister. Okay, in the next picture you see a picture that fire is burning and lots of animals lose their homes. Okay, this thing maybe worried them. Okay, then the children are worried. Okay, they are thinking about the things they have seen on the computer and the internet. Now they are sharing this thing with the teachers. Okay, that teacher, we have seen this thing on the computers. Okay, you can also report the buttons or click on the words on the report like this. If you see something which worried you, will tells you. Okay, in this way we send an image, we send a feedback to the consult person that please check the website, please check the material which is displaying on the internet. Okay, in this way they can get the feedback from us. In this way they can improve their websites, their content of the website. Content means the images and pictures display on the websites. Okay, the report button tell the right person that there is something scary or worried on the web page. In this way we are reporting, we are recording our you can say our but you can say our feelings, or you can say our thinking about the website, about the content of the websites. Okay, now students, we make a poster to tell other students what to do if they are worried about something they see on a web page. This is an activity that someone you have to make a poster which tell the other person, like your siblings, maybe your neighbors, neighborhoods, that if they see something on the internet which is scary, which is which make them which make them feel bad, okay, they what they do, okay, they report them, they close the window. What they have to do, you have to make a poster, okay, which explain, which tell each and everything with the help of this posters, okay. Now one more thing, make a list of the people you could tell if something worries you on a web page. If you have to make a list, means write down the names of the friends, maybe your siblings or your cousins, and if you see something which is not good to see, which makes you feel down, you tell them that this I have seen this thing on the web page, like some cartoons, maybe some image will disturb you, and you have to tell them that I've seen this page on this website, and what I do, then I report, then I place a report button to report my feedback, okay, about the content, okay. Now you have to tell these things to you, the list to the persons which you added in the list, okay. To staying safe, I told you that this is a new word, okay, for you, because you're too young and you are first time using the computers, okay. Always try to use them in the supervision of your elder ones, your teachers, okay. Now what you have to do in this lesson, the how to stay safe when you use the internet, okay, how we have to stay safe. Internet is like a market or a shop, I told you, with lots of people. We are interconnected with the help of the network, okay. The information about the life is called the personal information, like your name, your address, your personal information, it's called the personal information, which we don't want to tell to the other, to the strangers in a shop, like other persons, okay. But my family will know my personal information, okay. But I don't want to I don't want to tell my personal information to the person which I don't know, okay. The personal information can be words, personal information can be a picture, okay. Just like a pictures of a marriage ceremony of my siblings, or some other my cousins who are, these are also personal information. I don't want to share with someone else, okay, with a person which I don't know, okay. How I have to stay safe, I will keep them in some other place where strangers can't access them, okay. If someone asks you for personal information, tell an adult you trust right away, okay. If someone is sending me email, if someone is asking me about my personal information, my email address, about the password, I report to my siblings, to my elder ones, my parents or my teacher, that that person is want to know about my password, about my email ID, or someone asking about my pictures, okay. And never share this sort of an information to anyone which is stranger to you, okay. Okay students, and I that on the internet basically beta we find numbers of opinion and facts, okay. Facts mean reality, opinion means informations, okay, about what I think about the other person, okay. It may be vary from one person to another person, okay. And fact is basically a reality, okay. Now it may be differ from person to person, and there is a chance of error in the information which is available on the internet, okay, because it is all the website, all the content written by the humans, okay. Now read page number 28 to 33 from your computer book. Computing and solve the following activities on a separate sheet, okay. Please take the separate please solve all these questions on a copy, need copies, okay. Now you have to complete your all the assignments on the need notebook, okay. Activity number 1, answer the following question. What is a browser? I told you what is a browser. Browser is an application, it's a software through which we access the website, through which we look into the websites, okay. We get access to the websites. What is a hyperlink? Hyperlinks are the electronic link through which we move from one website to another site, we move from one page to another page, okay. Can hyperlink be made of letters only? No, they can be a picture, they can be a text, okay. What is a person information? A person information which I don't want to share with the stranger one, just like my name, just like my CNIC, my personal phone number, cell phone numbers, okay, like my date of birth, okay. And activity number 2, what would you do if you are worried about something you see on a web page? If I see something which make me bad, which make me which may feel me that this thing is not good to see, I will report them. Okay, I will press the report button and I will report my feedback on this website. Maybe it's about an image, it may be sometime maybe a material which is written on the websites. Okay, hope you can now chapter 2 is alhamdulillah is completed. Hopefully now you can easily solve your assignment number 6. Okay student, now please stay at your home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.
Molly is a regular kid like you, and she's curious about the internet. She wrote down 3 questions she has about it. 1. How big is the internet, and is it part of the real world? 2. What are the good things on the internet? And 3. Is the internet made just for kids? Let's help Molly answer question 1. How big is the internet, and is it part of the real world? The internet is very big, but it's not the real world. The real world is made up of places like your school and your neighborhood, and the real world has people who live in it, like you and your teacher. The internet is different from the real world because it exists only on computers. These computers are connected together, and that lets people from everywhere talk and share information with each other. Information like this picture of a banana slug. Real people use the internet, but imagine if people tried to live inside their computers. That's just silly. And it's why the internet isn't a real place. It's a tool people use to get information. Molly's second question was, what are the good things on the internet? Well, that picture of a banana slug is a good thing because it's funny. Like you, Molly is curious and smart, so she uses the internet to learn. She reads stories, plays games, and watches videos. Just yesterday, she watched a video about dinosaurs. Molly had one more question. Is the internet made only for kids? Only some of the internet is made for kids. There are pictures and other things on the internet that kids shouldn't see. Also, there are places on the internet where people say mean things about each other. These places aren't fun, and they're not safe for kids. But if you follow some simple rules, you can avoid them. Think about this. There are places in the real world, places in your neighborhood maybe, that aren't safe for you. For example, you know you have to look both ways before you cross a street, and you know it's not safe to talk to strangers or accept candy from them. These rules are simple, and they keep you safe in the real world. Fortunately, there are simple rules for staying safe on the internet too. Molly's going to learn all about them, and you can join her.